Welcome to Valharst Studio. Today, we're diving deep into quiet luxury, a design philosophy that's all about creating a sophisticated, comfortable, and timeless home without shouting about it. Forget flashy logos and ostentatious displays. Quiet luxury is about subtle details, quality craftsmanship, and a feeling of serene well-being. We'll explore what defines this style, how to choose the right materials and colors, and walk through real-world examples in every room of your home. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear checklist to transform your space into a haven of understated elegance. If you're looking to elevate your home with enduring style, consider following Valharst Studio for more insights into creating spaces that truly reflect your taste. Our first chapter asks, what exactly defines quiet luxury in interior design, and how is it different from traditional luxury or minimalism? At its core, quiet luxury focuses on quality over quantity, craftsmanship over branding. It's about creating an understated elegance, a timelessness, and a profound sense of comfort. This style stands in stark contrast to overt luxury, which often features flashy elements, prominent branding, and a desire to impress with visible opulence. Think of the difference between a custom-tailored cashmere coat with no label and a designer jacket covered in logos. Both are luxurious, but one whispers, while the other shouts. Quiet luxury also differs significantly from stark minimalism, which, while clean, can sometimes feel cold, impersonal, or even sterile due to its extreme lack of ornamentation and warmth. Instead, quiet luxury emphasizes rich texture, natural materials, and subtle, thoughtful details, all working together to create a feeling of calm, warmth, and well-being. You'll notice the deliberate choice of materials and the absence of anything superfluous, allowing the inherent beauty and tactile quality of each element to shine through. It's a style that whispers sophistication rather than shouts it, creating an atmosphere of genuine comfort and refined taste that feels effortlessly luxurious. Moving into Chapter 2, the quiet luxury palette, colors and tones. What colors and tones should you use to achieve this aesthetic? Neutrals are absolutely key. Think warm whites, creamy off-whites, soft grays, and muted earth tones like beige, taupe, and terracotta. These form the serene, grounding backdrop for quiet luxury, allowing other elements to subtly emerge without competing. To add depth without introducing stark contrasts or visual noise, utilize subtle variations within a monochromatic or analogous color scheme. For example, a room might feature walls in a warm white, a sofa in a slightly darker cream, and drapes in a soft beige, all within the same tonal family. Accent colors, such as deep, desaturated greens, muted blues, or soft, dusty terracottas, can be used sparingly to add interest and personality, but always in a way that maintains the overall calm and sophisticated feel. The goal is to avoid stark contrasts or overly bright, saturated colors that can feel jarring or cheap. Instead, focus on creating a harmonious flow. The interaction of natural light with these chosen tones is also incredibly important, as it enhances the warmth, depth, and perceived richness of the space throughout the day. Imagine a living room bathed in soft morning light, highlighting the gentle shifts in a cream and beige palette, or a bedroom where the evening glow deepens the muted blues and grays, creating a truly tranquil atmosphere. Chapter 3 explores materials and textures, the foundation of feel. Which materials and textures best embody the quiet luxury style, and how do you combine them effectively? The answer lies almost entirely in natural, high-quality materials, with like rich oak, dark walnut, or light maple. Natural stones such as cool marble, earthy travertine, or rugged slate, and luxurious textiles like soft linen, cozy wool, shimmering silk, and ultra-fine cashmere. There's a strong emphasis on tactile quality and the sensory experience these materials provide. You should want to touch everything in a quiet luxury space. Layering textures is crucial for adding depth and visual interest without relying on color or pattern. Think of combining a smooth, polished stone coffee table with a soft, chunky wool rug underneath, or rough plaster walls alongside delicate, flowing linen drapes. This interplay of different textures creates a rich sensory experience that feels inviting and luxurious without being visually overwhelming. You'll want to consciously avoid synthetic or overly shiny materials, such as cheap plastics, highly polished chrome, or synthetic satins, as these can detract from the authentic, high-quality feel that is central to quiet luxury. Subtle patterns and weaves within natural fabrics, such as a herringbone linen or a basket weave wool, also play a significant role, adding interest and sophistication without being distracting or overtly decorative. The goal is to create a space that feels inherently rich and comfortable through its material choices. In Chapter 4, we look at quiet luxury living rooms, serene spaces. How can you design a living room that feels luxurious, yet inviting and understated? The focus here is on comfortable, well-proportioned furniture that prioritizes both form and function. Invest in pieces with classic silhouettes and quality construction that will stand the test of time, rather than fleeting trends. The layout should be thoughtful, encouraging conversation and relaxation, perhaps with seating arrangements that foster intimacy. Subtle, layered lighting is essential, utilizing multiple sources like floor lamps, table lamps, and hidden cove lighting to create a warm, inviting glow rather than harsh overhead illumination. This allows you to adjust the mood of the room throughout the day and evening. Decor should be minimalist, featuring only curated, meaningful pieces that add character and tell a story without creating clutter. Think of a single, striking piece of art, a collection of unique ceramic vases, or a stack of beautiful coffee table books. The absence of excessive ornamentation allows the quality of the furniture and materials to speak for themselves, creating a living room that is both elegant and profoundly comfortable, a true sanctuary for unwinding and genuine connection. Chapter 5 brings us to quiet luxury bedrooms, a haven of calm. What elements are essential for a quiet luxury bedroom that promotes rest and tranquility? Start with soft, layered bedding in natural fibers like crisp linen, breathable cotton, or luxurious silk. The key is to create an inviting, cloud-like feel with duvets, throws, and pillows that prioritize comfort and texture. A minimalist approach to furniture is best, focusing on quality pieces that serve their purpose beautifully without overwhelming the space. A sturdy wooden bed frame, a simple yet elegant dresser, and perhaps a comfortable reading chair are often all that's needed. Subtle lighting is crucial for a soothing ambience, perhaps with dimmable bedside lamps, wall sconces, or indirect light sources that cast a gentle glow. A neutral color palette is paramount for visual calm, creating a serene backdrop for relaxation and sleep. Think soft whites, muted grays, and gentle blues that promote a sense of peace. The overall aim is to create a clutter-free, restorative retreat, a space where you can truly unwind and recharge, free from distractions. Remember, the goal is not just beauty, but also profound comfort and peace, making your bedroom a true sanctuary from the outside world. For Chapter 6, we delve into quiet luxury kitchens, functional elegance. How can you achieve a quiet luxury look in your kitchen while maintaining high functionality? Integrated appliances are a must for a seamless, uncluttered look, allowing refrigerators, dishwashers, and even coffee makers to blend invisibly into the cabinetry. High-quality, durable materials are essential, such as natural stone countertops like marble, quartz, or granite, paired with warm wood cabinetry in oak, walnut, or even painted finishes in muted tones. Understated hardware or even handleless designs contribute to the sleek, refined aesthetic, minimizing visual interruptions. Thoughtful lighting is crucial for both task illumination, bright lights over work surfaces, and creating a pleasant ambience with softer, indirect lighting for dining or entertaining. The focus remains on clean lines and uncluttered surfaces, ensuring the kitchen feels both highly functional and effortlessly elegant. This is a space where every element is chosen for its quality, durability, and its contribution to the overall serene and sophisticated atmosphere, making cooking and gathering a truly luxurious experience. If you're finding these design principles helpful, remember to keep Valharst Studio in mind for your next home project. Chapter 7 addresses common mistakes to avoid. What are the most frequent pitfalls when trying to create a quiet luxury home, and how can you prevent them? One of the biggest mistakes is over-accessorizing and clutter. Quiet luxury thrives on simplicity, breathing room, and a few carefully curated pieces. A cluttered space instantly diminishes the sense of calm and sophistication. Another pitfall is choosing trendy over timeless pieces. The essence of quiet luxury is its enduring appeal and longevity. Avoid items that are clearly of the moment, and instead opt for classic designs that will look good for years to come. Ignoring texture and layering can also lead to a flat, uninteresting space, as texture is vital for adding depth and sensory richness, without relying on bold colors or patterns. Using too many bold colors or patterns can disrupt the serene, harmonious palette that defines quiet luxury, creating visual chaos rather than calm. Finally, sacrificing comfort for aesthetics is a common error. Quiet luxury prioritizes both. A beautiful sofa that's uncomfortable or a stunning dining chair that's impractical misses the point entirely. By being mindful of these mistakes, you can ensure your design remains true to the quiet luxury aesthetic, creating a home that is both beautiful and genuinely livable. Our final chapter, your quiet luxury checklist, provides a clear, actionable guide. What are the key steps and considerations for applying quiet luxury principles to your own home? First, assess your current space. Declutter and simplify ruthlessly. Remove anything that doesn't serve a purpose or bring you joy, creating a clean canvas. Next, define your personal quiet luxury palette, focusing on those warm neutrals, muted earth tones, and subtle, desaturated accents. Invest in quality, natural materials that will stand the test of time and provide a rich tactile and visual experience. Think wood, stone, linen, and wool. Prioritize comfort and functionality in every room, ensuring that your space is not only beautiful but also highly livable and inviting. Curate meaningful decor and art rather than filling spaces with arbitrary or mass-produced items. Each piece should have a story or a special significance. Finally, layer your lighting to create a warm and inviting ambience, utilizing multiple sources to control the mood and highlight key features. By following this checklist, you can systematically transform your home into a quiet luxury sanctuary, a space that truly reflects understated elegance, profound comfort, and a lasting sense of well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey to discover the art of quiet luxury.